Straight Talk is a powerful tool to build teamwork and improve team communication. To create a team, simply click the Manage Teams tab and select Create New Team. Enter your team name and description, then click Create. You should then see your new team listed on the Manage Teams page under Teams I Own. Click on the team name to view the team information. You will see options to invite people to this team, rename this team, organize members, change owner, and an option to delete this team. There is also an option to create subteams, with a button that explains what a subteam is. When you click on Invite People to this team, you will be brought to a new screen. All the teams you own will be listed here as options you can select, with the current team already selected. If you'd like to invite a person to all of your teams at once, simply check the box next to Teams, or select the specific teams you'd like to invite the person to join. Then simply enter the email addresses for the people you'd like to invite. Click the Add New button if you need to enter more email addresses. You can also add a personalized message. Click Preview Your Message to preview the body of the email. Click Send to send the invitation email. Any invitations that have been sent but not yet accepted will appear here under Pending Invitations. You can choose to resend or delete the pending invitation. Once a person accepts your invitation and completes their assessment, they will become part of your team. There is a separate section under Manage Teams for Teams I've Joined, where you can see information about the team, including the list of members.